All right, guys, listen. You see what I did? I waited for hours. I traded this thing for hours. I waited for price to come back down to me, wait for it to come to my level, lowered my risk, was patient and disciplined to let it all play out. And you can see, look at how long it took, guys. There's 1 minute before the bell rings, and it's just about to hit 45. This is what you got to do, guys. You got to be patient. You got to wait for price to come to you. You have to not chase things around. All right, guys, I got in this BBBY. I got in at the 38.50 pullback. I am looking for a move up to 45, possibly 45. AMC went crazy today, and BBBY is also going crazy. It's up 46%. I think a move up to 45 is very possible, so I'm just sitting tight here, holding on some shares. I'm up real nice on the trade. Boom, there we go. We got a move to 40.80. Probably going to come down here a little bit. I'm going to sell a few shares right here. These buyers are thin in the book, so I'll just keep a little bit here. Get ready for this move up. I think we could go hit 45, so I'm looking to buy these dips. See if we can get another move here. Real nice trade so far, guys. Probably get out on this next push here. Probably gonna come dipping down back to 39.60s. I'm gonna get out right here and I'm gonna look to reload at 39.70s, 80s. Still got some time on the clock. We just hit that 39.60. I'm gonna see. I'd like to see this thing. The book's a little thin on the buy side though, so I'm trying to be patient. You can see the buyers are getting pretty thin on the book, so I'm just trying to sit tight on this. I almost chased that move there, guys. I gotta tell you, I was real close to chasing it, but I think we're gonna slip down here. And you know, I've been patiently waiting for this thing to come down. I would love to see 37.60s. You can see 37.60s would be basically they fill 38 and it slips down here. I know 37.60s asking for a lot when price is up at $40. But you know, guys, I've been making a lot of money today and I'm getting pickier as the day goes on. Okay. All right, guys, here it comes. So it wasn't really that long. It's about 15 minutes I've been waiting. Let's see if this thing comes down here now. All right, you see that buyer pulled out at 38. It was 29,000 shares. Now it's only 12,000 shares. Now you see sellers started populating at 41 and 42, all up in that area. So hoping to get that downside flush here. All right, guys, I got the move. I just jumped in here. This is a 2-minute chart. Where's the 2 minute? Where's the 2 minutes? So on the 2 minute, I just jumped in here at 37. I got in at 37.60. It slipped down and I waited for it to pop back up. But as you can see, guys, I told you about this way back here. So I've been waiting for this thing to make its move for quite a while. That's basically where VWAP is. You know, as you can see, BBBY, I got such a good entry. I mean, I've been in the green ever since I pulled the trigger, right? So I tell you guys, you got to be patient, you know, trading Trinity, patience, discipline, risk management. If you're patient enough to wait for that entry, you know, you see, I waited 20, 30 minutes for that. I've waited hours for other entries. It doesn't really matter to me. But if you are patient enough to wait for it, then you definitely can catch a move where it's very low risk, low stress. And you know, I'm up big on this BBBY trade already. I think this is going to get some more upside here pretty soon. All right, guys, let's see if we catch the move here in the next couple minutes. All right, here comes the move. Let's see if we get this move all the way up to 40. Boom, there we go. A little resistance, but that's not a big seller. It's only 7,000 shares, so I'm definitely going to sit in this trade. There we go, eating right through him. Next big seller's at 40. He's only got 8,000 shares. Not too much to be worried about. A little trouble at 39.50, but I don't think that's going to be long-term trouble. That's a very small seller. You got 20,000 shares at 41. I don't think 7,000 shares is really a big deal. So, all right, it's pretty much got to make its move now. Otherwise, I'll probably be out. doesn't get the continuation that I'm looking for. Matter of fact, I'm up real nice on the trade. I'll take a few shares off here in just a second if it doesn't pop in the next minute. Alright, sold half the position. That way I guarantee a winner. If it collapses on me, no problem. Whew. AMC dumping, BBBY dumping. Okay. So close the trade out right there. Everything's starting to come down. SPY's coming down. So still close it with a nice win on the last half of my shares. And now just sit tight, wait for a bounce area. You know, starts to break down a little bit and just start to pick out my lower levels and see if price would get down there. Starting to get that move here. You know, I bought it up in here. I added to the position here, and I think we're going to get the move now. I'm hoping so. I'm already up pretty bad on the trade, but need to see some continuation here to the upside. I think we're going to make a beeline toward 40. You know, the sellers on the books really aren't that big, so you know, we're getting what we need here. I keep adding to my position down here, all these wicks. This is me. I'm buying at all these wicks here, and I'm looking for this move. You know, I think we're gonna make it up to 42 to 45. So we'll see what happens here. There we go. Finally, we're getting a little pump. Nice, nice. Oh, there it is, guys. Moved up straight up to 40. Oh, snap. I'm gonna sell a few more right there. I'm gonna halt. This thing's gonna halt. It's gonna rip. Nice, 41. I like this setup now, guys. I mean, any pullbacks that are decent, they're probably gonna get bought up real quick. So let's see how this goes here at the 40. 39.60 maybe. Here it comes, 39.80. Come on, a little more. There, oh, there it is, 39.40. Added right there. That's what I was looking for. 39.40 hit perfect. Alright guys, so check it out. It's finally looks like we might get the move past 42, and there's only 10 minutes left on the clock in the day. That's kind of funny, but I've been in this trade the whole time here. I'm hoping that we can get through 42. I see sellers at 43, 44, 45. You know, we got some big sellers all the way up there, and we got a big fat one at 50. Oh, there we go, over 42, guys. There it is, there it is. Let's go, baby. Can we get to 45 at the bell? No way. Come on, impossible. Our high of the day was 43.34. I don't know if we're going to get all the way up there, but guys, this is already turning out to be another nice trade. I just keep scalping this same move, guys. So here it is, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We're going to take out the high of day here. We're going to take out the 43.30. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Need to get through 43. I don't know if it's going to happen. The bell's about to ring in 10 minutes. See, still got a minute left on the 2-minute chart, so let's see what happens here. Looks like they're going to push it all the way. I'm amazed. Here we go, high of day. Guys, look at that. I've been on this trade for hours and hours and hours. Alright, take some off the table right there. Alright guys, we're still getting the move here. As you can see, I was very, very patient to wait for this one. And, you know, it's doing everything that I wanted it to do here, so... Can we get a move to 45 in the last 2 minutes of the day? I don't know, but we'll see. It's getting volume into the close, which is kind of crazy, but that's it. I'm looking to sell some here. I don't even think I'm going to wait till 45. Let's see if we can get through 44 here. I'm going to hold on just a second. Let's see if we can get up through 44 up to 45. Nice big pop there, and I'm out. That's enough for me, guys. All right, guys, listen. You see what I did? I waited for hours. I traded this thing for hours. I traded AMC back and forth. In both scenarios, I waited for price to come back down to me, wait for it to come to my level, lowered my risk, was patient and disciplined to let it all play out. And you can see, look at how long it took, guys. There's 1 minute before the bell rings, and it's just about to hit 45. So I think it's going to squeeze to 50 after hours, but this is what you got to do, guys. You got to be patient. You got to wait for price to come to you. You have to not chase things around. All right, hope this helps you guys. If you need help, reach out, icestreamtrading@gmail.com, or click the link in the description. Join my free Discord, and I'll do my best to help you. Till next time, talk to you soon, and peace.